Today we're going to be talking about if statements in Power BI, in particular DAX. Welcome back to our video series on Power BI Basics, where we're teaching you Power BI with short, easy to follow daily tutorials. Today we're talking about if statements. Let's jump into the computer. So in DAX, the if statement evaluates a logical condition and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. So here we have an if statement I wrote. So I called it sales level. If I said if it equals, then I said if the sum of sales amount is greater or equal to 100, then return good, then return bad. So this is what the if statement is super useful for using in DAX, for creating calculated columns or measures that are dependent on specific criteria and then classifying them into two categories. So let's go ahead and let's bring this over. And as you can see, these are all good. But if I raise this to 200 right here, you'll see that, these ones change to bad. Now, in if statements, you can typically only have one logical condition, but you can chain them together using two ampersands for and or two pipes for or. So for example, if I did and right here, and then I did I'll just say I did max of product ID. And let's just say greater or equal to 1 right here. And I hit the check box. Oh, and sorry. That's why I put the greater or equal to 1 within the max. So let's remove that and let's go greater or equal to 1. And I click the checkbox right here. You'll see that it's still returning the same, but that's because my count of product ID, and let's go and let's change this to a maximum right here. They're all 1. So if I now change this to greater or equal to 5, right, I would expect this one right here to change. And as you can see, it changed to bad. So that's if statements in DAX. Hopefully this video has been really useful to you. And if it has, and you're interested in learning more about Power BI, why don't you hit the like button and subscribe? Thanks. If you're interested in Power BI or DAX, please subscribe. We're releasing short, easy to follow tutorials, one a day. So thank you for watching.